is an update on the GhostKnight project. And for the GhostKnight project I actually went back to the simplest form I could imagine for sword fighting, and it was a floating sword, and for me the ghost team fitted perfectly for that. So I'm using my Razer Hydra motion controller, and I'll be showing some of the basic controls that I've implemented. So we can pick up stuff. So here we have a shield. So, okay. We'll also pick up the sword. Okay, so now I have two weapons, so I can swing around with my sword. I can hide behind my shield. Well, so this is already quite nice. Well, so that are some of the things that you can do with it. Also, you can play around with blocks and stuff. Don't know where I'm going to use this, but it might give some nice puzzles as well. So we can build a tower with that. Okay. So yeah, it can be a bit difficult to get this right in once. Also have to do a lot of the tuning still of moving objects around. But this is already quite nice to do. Okay. Yes, okay, it stays. Well, you can go on and on about this. Okay. Should have yet my sword here. Let's try out some more sword moves. Okay, so here we have the sword. You can hold it in two hands. You can make some basic chopping motions with it. Or some other moves. So that's already quite nice. Yeah, so that's quite also nice to have the weapon controlled with two hands. So you have some more control also, and I'll have to add some features that you actually have some more power as well. Okay, so let's see if I can chop up some the towers. So that all works. So that's already quite nice. So also have some different camera controls. So this is really first person view, just outside, and well, I also have some cameras around, and you can move between them. So yeah, those are some of the controls. I also have a spear here. Play with that one for a moment. So you can also hold it in two hands. You can actually slide your hand along it. You also can change the main hand quite easily. So you can do some nice swings with this as well. Well, this is going to need some practice also for me. And yeah, it also needs some tuning in general. So I can also, one thing I want to do is actually be able to throw weapons, but that at the moment doesn't really work very well. Okay, so that's explore the level a bit more. So I was actually thinking of making a lot of corridors like this. But yeah, all graphics are still placeholders. Okay, so we have some more weapons here as well. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. So you also already noticed that a spear is not really useful in confined spaces. Oh, you have to really stab with it. Well, you can see that, yeah, you cannot move into the walls, and well, the idea behind that was that you have the walls are warded and ghosts cannot pass them. You can also have spaces like this that actually the weapons can pass through this space, but your hands cannot. Okay, so you can actually throw your weapon along, but yeah, you cannot pass yourself. Well, I also implemented the climbing system. I still have to see if this is actually fun or not, but well, it's at least a great use of using a motion controller like this. So now we're on top of the balcony. So I have a sword over here that I can pick up. Okay. So here we have some ladder also, we can climb down. Okay. So now again we are here at this wall that I could not pass. And maybe you can make some puzzles like this, like an orb that if you hit it, then you can pass again. So there are also a lot of nice puzzles I think that you can make with some objects that you can or cannot pass. Also there should be some secret wall around here that you could pass. Yeah, here it is. So as you can see, the sword will not pass through the wall, but the ghost can. And you can go upstairs here, move around about it. You can also grab these ledges, climb along. So this really works nice now, quite nice. Yeah. So here should be some secret wall. Yep, here we can pass through. So here's a ladder that you actually can climb. So yeah, this is a bit of the stuff that I already added. I seem to have lost my hand somewhere. Yeah, there it is. So yeah, you can still get stuck behind walls like this. Still have to see what the best way to deal with that is. Yeah, so that's it for now. Hope I'll be getting some more stuff out of it soon, but well, we'll see where it goes. Okay, thanks for watching.